Question 12. Give reasons. C. Aluminium is a highly reactive metal, yet it is used to make utensils for cooking. Answer. Reasons for using aluminium in cooking utensils. 1. Formation of protective oxide layer. Passivation. Although aluminium is a reactive metal, it quickly forms a thin layer of aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. When exposed to air, this oxide layer acts as a protective barrier, preventing further oxidation and corrosion. As a result, aluminium utensils do not react significantly with food or moisture, making them safe for cooking. 2. Lightweight and durable. Ease of use. Aluminium is much lighter than many other metals, making it easier to handle and use in cooking. This lightweight property is particularly beneficial for cookware that needs to be moved frequently. Strength. Despite its lightness, aluminium is strong and durable, allowing it to withstand the rigors of cooking without easily bending or breaking. 3. Excellent heat conductor. Efficient cooking. Aluminium has a high thermal conductivity, which means it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly. This property allows for efficient cooking, reducing cooking times and ensuring that food is cooked uniformly. 1. Cost-effective. Affordability. Aluminium is relatively inexpensive compared to other metals like stainless steel or copper. This cost-effectiveness makes it a popular choice for both manufacturers and consumers when producing cooking utensils. 2. Non-toxic. Safety. When properly anodized or coated, aluminium utensils do not leach harmful substances into food. This makes them safe for cooking and food preparation, provided they are used correctly. 3. Versatility. Variety of applications. Aluminium can be easily shaped and formed into various types of cookware, such as pots, pans, and baking trays. This versatility allows for a wide range of cooking applications. Conclusion. In summary, despite being a highly reactive metal, aluminium is widely used for cooking utensils due to its protective oxide layer, lightweight nature, excellent heat conductivity, cost-effectiveness, safety, and versatility in manufacturing. These properties make aluminium an ideal material for everyday cooking needs.